guys, so this is a continuation of our video which we posted yesterday, which talks about what is encoding. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about what is live streaming encoding. So let's get started. Live streaming encoders take audio and video content from various sources used when shooting a live, such as camera, microphone, desktop, etc., compresses and converts the media into a suitable digital format that can be transmitted over the internet. Now let's take a look at some popular encoders that are available. The first one is OBS Studio. For those who are new to live streaming, OBS Studio is a very popular encoder since it is compatible with all devices including Windows and Mac. So it is one of the most popular encoder amongst the live streamers. So now let's look at some of its pros. It's open source and completely free. It's user friendly, especially for those who are new to this. It's also very versatile. And what are its cons? It does not offer multi-bitrate streaming. Some features are quite limited. So the second type of live stream encoder is Telestream Wirecast Studio. Now, if you are a pro live streamer, then this is the one that you should opt for. It has an intuitive interface and easy to find functions, and it has the best settings for live streaming already set in its software. Now let's look at some of its pros. So it has social media integration. It is also very user friendly, and it is packed with multiple advanced features. So what are its cons? It is an open source and quite expensive. It consumes a lot of computer memory and makes your system very slow. A lot of advanced features are only available in the studio version. The third live stream encoder is called Mix. So Mix is a very good live streaming encoder and is an Australian-based company. If you are a Windows person and prefer using Windows laptop, then this one is definitely for you. The latest version of vMix's Windows software specific is 24.0.071. The software can be installed in Mac via Bootcamp if the machine has a Windows partition. Now let's look at some of its pros. So it has pricing plans for different budget, and it supports a wide range of features. What are its cons? Some features are quite difficult and complicated and cannot be used by everyone, only compatible with Windows. So now we are going to talk about the last type of live streaming encoder. It's called Vid Blaster X, and it is available in three formats: Vid Blaster Home, Vid Blaster Broadcast, Vid Blaster Studio. The three software packaging add advanced features. It is best suited for live streaming professionals. Now let's look at some of its pros. Rich feature live streaming software, variety of packages to suit different type of requirement. Now let's look at some of its cons. So it's not compatible with Mac, and it is only suited for professional live streamers. The new ones can find it difficult to use. So I hope guys that we were able to educate you about different types of live stream encoders which are available. Now let me tell you that Muvi Live supports a wide variety of encoders as long as they can push the feed to Muvi Live's servers via an RTMP output. Don't forget to take a 14-day free trial, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries related to live stream encoders, then please feel free to drop in your questions and we'll be more than happy to help.